And then we're gonna bring in the Fairchild, which is what is going on our left, right. Let's see what is happening, okay? Here we go.
To praise the name of the Lord in here. I don't know about you.
And that is...
Oh, I got a reason to praise.
Let's just say that, post everything.
I got a reason to praise, yeah. Right here.
So before I go further, usually on my left, right, I usually would do an EQ and take around 180, somewhere between 160 and 180, I take about 1 to 2 dB, sometimes 3, just depending on what I'm hearing, just to help me clean up some of the low mid build. Let me just show that here. So yeah, if you just look at that, you can kind of see I'm just taking out some of that low, some of the low mid build, just to kind of help my mix clean up overall. I've tend to find out over time it just helps. Let's play first and just see if it's really doing anything in this case.
Praise the name of
this
the
is with
Lord
the EQ.
I don't know about you, but
without.
Oh, I got a reason to praise Him. I got a reason to praise, yeah. Right here.
Without.
I can't deny what you've done for me.
You hear all that?
You loosed all my shackles and set me free.
So for me, I just feel like it just kind of helps cleans up that energy down there that I don't really need. I feel like it gives my mix, it just opens up my mix for me, okay? Now let's take a look and see what's happening with the Fairchild, what it's doing. Now Fairchild, you have to be careful not to overcompress. It already has a tone that it adds. It's not my preferred go-to MIXBUSS compressor. I'll prefer like a SSL style, maybe a Neve style, something like that. But on the console, if I'm trying to work with on the console, the Fairchild is what I typically would go for, because I feel like it adds a little bit of mid to my overall mix, but I try to make sure I'm also not compressing heavily. Let's see if I'm not compressing heavily. That's the trick. Let's find out if I'm doing what I say I try to do. All right, let's take a listen.
To praise the name of the Lord in here. I don't know about you, but oh, I got a reason to praise Him. I got a reason to praise, yeah. Right here. I can't deny what you've done for me. You loosed all my shackles and set me free. You wrote me and gave me the victory. I got a reason to praise. That's a reason. And I can't forget what my eyes have seen. What seemed impossible, I believe. Look at my life, we got history. I got a reason to praise. Say, and I won't let rock cry out for me. 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 Oh, never let a rock cry out for me. Come on. Say, I can't deny what you've done for me. Loosed all my shackles and set me free. Wrote me and gave me the victory. Come on, I got a reason to pray. I can't forget what my eyes have seen. What seemed impossible, I believe. Look at my life, I got a